Public Works and Infrastructure Head of Department Tandolwethu Manda said it is the department's responsibility to coordinate overall planning of infrastructure in the Eastern Cape.
In the new sixth term of government, a reconfiguration of public works has been embedded on what we have recently approved, which is the new service delivery model. The new service delivery model of public works emphasizes our new mandate of being a nerve center of infrastructure delivery and coordination in the province. What this actually entails is, over and above being just an implementing agent for infrastructure delivery, Public Works now has a responsibility to coordinate the overall planning of infrastructure in the province. Now you would recall that when the planning of infrastructure delivery is coordinated, that yields better fruits for a transforming of your economy and for the overall growth of the economy of the province. Remember, it was in fact those who came before us, it is the roads that build the economy, not the economy that builds roads. So it is infrastructure that builds the economy and not the other way around.